Hey guys, want to make a review video for the Yale Code. This is an awesome keypad deadbolt. So that's what it looks like on the side. You can get the black version on the side as well. Should be pretty simple to install, and I like these buttons that they are clicky compared to other versions I've had where it's kind of like a touch screen and then it gets messed up. So these are clickable buttons, so you can't mess up your code when you're punching it in. But super simple. Let's get this installed. Okay, starting with an empty door here, we're gonna install the deadbolt here first. And starting here too, you can also install a new wall plate which locks in. You can put in the new one that comes with it. Okay, here is your deadbolt, and if you have to, you can actually twist this. If for some reason you need to make it longer, you can twist this and that will extend it, but this should be good. Also, there's an up right there. Put that in there and put on our screws. We are ready to install this. You want to make sure that the wire goes underneath, and this goes right in the slot. A sleeve like this, it may just take a little bit to push it in. Once it's pushed in all the way, then we'll put on this back wall plate. The wire will go through there, and then you've got these two bolts to attach and secure through this wall plate. Now that the wall plate is secure, we can attach this, but first we want to plug in the wire right here, and then you've got two screws at the top and one at the bottom that are already set in there, and they will screw through and attach to this wall plate. Now that this is installed, you can actually test it to make sure it works. The door, and there we go. Works nice and smoothly. You want to for sure adjust this if this is not smooth. Next is install your batteries. Put the cover on, press the button here. It'll show yellow, which means there hasn't been a code in. So you'd put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want, and then hit the Yale button, and it would turn green. Then that will save your code. But super easy to use. And also what's great is it does have a key, a backup key, just in case your batteries die, you get locked out, or you don't have another door or whatever. You do have this extra key that works just for this lock. So I'm gonna put in a code. I'm gonna press the Yale button, and it is saved. So on the back of the box, it says you can add up to 50 unique codes for friends and family, and also is IPX certified for water. You can add more codes. Let's get in the house. Okay, so we're all set up and ready to go. If you wanna just lock the door, just press the Yale button. And there comes the deadbolt. And then of course, to unlock, you press the Yale button again, put in your code, press the Yale button again, and there we go. Super easy to use. You can also use the key if you ever have to. And then on the back, you've got your settings here. This is for a left or right-handed door. Here's your audio. And then also you got a manual or unlock or auto lock button, which is for this right here. If you just press the Yale button, then that locks right there. But yeah, really great looking. Got the stainless on the side, brushed satin nickel finish. And then I like that the buttons click and they also illuminate. Can't really see it right now, but they will illuminate at night. And the touch screen, I hate having touch screen because then your fingers, if it's dirty or whatever, this really works a lot better. So yeah, definitely this is a great product if you're looking for a simple, easy to use keypad for your front door, side door, wherever. You could even use it for interior doors. This is really a great product and highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.